Morning, everybody. It's a warm 25 degrees here in Connecticut. Last time I was at the spot, it was pouring rain and just raw and really, really cold. Today we have the same tent, we have the same stove, but the only thing different, dry wood. So let's see if we can get this thing so you can see what's going on here. Heating up some water. Fire's going pretty good. And again, it is 25 degrees out, and I'm in a short sleeve shirt in this tent. Thanks to this. And like always, we're going to be doing some coffee. We got, let's see, it's called Bushcraft Coffee Company Campfire Medium Roast. I'm going to try it out. It's a medium roast, I guess, here. And it's just like a tea bag. You just drop it in and you let it steep away. So we're going to let this water heat up, and we'll be back. See you guys later.